Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this smartphone. You need to begin by opening device's settings. In them, scroll down and choose Notifications and Control Center. Over here, you need to click on App Notifications. Select one of your apps, for example Gmail, and tap on this blue switcher next to it. After that, all notifications from Gmail are off. If you wish to turn them back on, click on the same no gray switcher. You can also just tap on one of your apps and disable notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!